Addiko Bank has over 1 million customers, of which roughly 14,000 are SMEs, and we are actually serving them as a universal bank with a full range of banking products. Improving our external services to the customers must go hand in hand with digitalization of our internal processes.
What has the greatest impact in terms of customer experience being an Addiko customer? Number one, being able to have a simple process, a transparent process, but also increasing the speed of each particular process. It became very soon clear to us that Appian supports any of those 3 bullet points. So simplicity, transparency, and speed out of the box.
Whole process was too complex and too long. It was the same process for the different products in our bank. For example, letter of credit or intent or a letter of guarantee.
Time to yes and time to cash. Time to yes for a so-called simple loan usually takes around about a week. Our internal goal was to have this up and running and have a time to yes within 5 working days. And I'm happy to report that we managed actually to beat even our aggressive expectations. Our new design process offers and supports a time to yes within 3 working days.
With Appian, we agreed on agile development. We were able to see how the process and how the application gets built. Appian is enabling to unlock or to identify our savings potential so that we become more competitive on the market, also from a speed of service point of view.
We didn't believe that actually deploying processes can be so easy. Given the low-code capabilities of the Appian software, we are able to deploy processes not only faster, but also deploying them in more countries at once.
It was important that we partner with a platform that can be scaled up, and we can not only use it for the corporate credit process, but also across the banking group for as many processes as we possibly can think of. Appian has fulfilled that requirement. It was very important how much support Appian is willing to provide to us during the implementation. I'm extremely grateful, personally grateful, for all the online support they have provided to us over the last few months. With the help of Appian, we were able to launch the 2 Lighthouse features on time and on budget. We will, and I'm certain, change how banking is done in Southern Eastern Europe.